Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Install Control Center simple from the Play Store on Android 8, 0 or later. Open the app and follow the 3-step setup flow. Grant display over other apps permission when prompted for proper overlay behavior. Also grant accessibility permission to enable shortcut gestures and navigation functionality. Tap Finish to confirm settings and return to your home screen. The app runs as an overlay service and starts automatically after you enable those permissions. Open the app settings to customize layout, theme, and quick tile positions. Use drag gestures to add or remove tiles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flashlight. Choose between a light or dark theme for better visibility in different lighting. Set the Control Center trigger edge and swipe sensitivity for comfortable activation. You can arrange up to 9 quick tiles in the main panel for fast access to common functions. Swipe from the chosen screen edge to open the Control Center quickly and reliably. Tap individual tiles to toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or to enable the flashlight instantly. Press and hold a tile to open detailed settings or assign an app shortcut. Use the media card to play, pause, or skip tracks without leaving your current app. If overlays fail to appear, restart the device or clear the app cache and try again within 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.